Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I created a Christmas centerpiece tablescape in my home with items from the Target Dollar Spot and Dollar Tree for only around $25. So if you guys have seen my past like Halloween house tour or any house tour, you guys seen that I've had this sign over my TV in my living room that says Home Sweet Home, and I got it in the Dollar Tree Plus section for only $5. I wanted to change it up because this is not my style anymore. Like the plaid, the gray plaid is more farmhouse to me, and I'm not into the farmhouse look anymore. So I wanted to switch it up and, you know, still use this for something, but I didn't want it as a sign anymore. So what I did was I spray painted it all white, and I decided to use it as the base for the centerpieces of my dining room table, and that I could use this as the base, you know, year round for the seasons, just switch it out with a different decor. And I wanted to start with Christmas, and I figured painting it white would be perfect because the white stands out against the brown table that I have, which guys, I have to get a new dining room table because this table I got from Ashley's Furniture, and I hate it because as soon as we got it, the nicks would get in it real quick. It was stain real quick. It's so hard to clean. It's horrible. It gets stained so easily. So I want to get a new table, or I want to repaint this one, which if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments down below because I do want to repaint it. But anyways, I thought that, you know, having it white would be great for all year round. It will go for all the seasons and holidays, and I could just switch it up with different things for the season. So, and it was only $5 in the Dollar Tree Plus section, which was perfect. And you see how long and big it is. So it's perfect for a dining room table, a smaller one, a long one. I mean, it's just the perfect base to set up any centerpiece for any holiday season or any type of decor that you want to do in your dining room table. Now the items that I'm going to use to create this centerpiece is the items that I share with you guys in my Target and Walmart haul, my Christmas Target and Walmart haul, and also in my Dollar Tree Christmas haul. So these trees right here are the ones that I got from Target for only $3. They are so beautiful. I told you guys this was such a great deal because these trees can be way expensive anywhere else, like at home, Hobby Lobby, all those other places. They can go for even up to $20, just these, maybe even more. And the fact that I got them for $3 and they look so high end, I was excited about that. These trees that I'm putting here, these tall trees, I actually got them from Dollar Tree a while back. They actually do light up, and I love how they look like icicles. These are just so pretty, and I wanted to add different heights of trees on this, you know, centerpiece here because I like having the different layers of the different sizes. So I thought these would be perfect to go in between the ones from Target. And then I'm adding these little glass reindeer that I got from Dollar Tree. Now the small one I got from Dollar Tree a while back, and then the bigger one, the bigger reindeer, I got it this year. So actually Dollar Tree has actually been stepping up their game, not only getting great items, but they also got bigger items. So as you can see, this reindeer that was in the past was smaller, and now they have these huge glass reindeers that's even bigger that you get this year for $1.25. I'm also adding these red glass trees that I got from the Target Dollar Spot for just $1 as well, that I share with you guys. These are beautiful too. I wanted to add different colors. I wanted to add gold, clear, white, and a touch of red because I love to add a touch of red to all my decor when it comes to Christmas. And then I just added some of that fake sparkly snow that you can get from Dollar Tree to give it that winter wonderland look. You could use this snow, or you can also use some salt, or you can use Epsom salt that has like the eucalyptus or the peppermint scent, and it makes your house smell so good for Christmas. Or you could do a mixture of it. So that's what I actually did. I did a mixture of some Epsom salt. There was some peppermint Epsom salt, and then some of that snowy, sparkly, snowy snow from Dollar Tree, so that I can get that scent of peppermint of Christmas time in my home, but also have that snowy effect look to make this centerpiece look like a winter wonderland. So you could do just one or the other, or you could do a mixture like I did, and it comes out so beautiful, and it also makes your house smell really, really good. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below, what things would you guys add to your Christmas dining room tablescape if you were going to recreate it, or would you keep it just the same? I love when I can take an idea that I see at the stores that's so expensive, or see things that people have done online and spend so much money, and recreate it with, you know, Dollar Tree products, Dollar Tree Plus items, or even the Target Dollar Spot items for much, much less. This whole thing only cost me around $25 to recreate, and that's including the sign. Even though the sign, I have it at home, I didn't have to purchase it, but if you guys wanted to purchase all this, it would come around $25. So it's really inexpensive to make a beautiful centerpiece in your home that looks so luxurious but only costs you $25. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.